Nola Osh tries on her cap and gown as she prepares to graduate from Fort Hays State University this weekend at the age of 98.
The classes were interesting, the professors were good, and I felt obligated to hand in good papers. It gave me a purpose. And I enjoyed what I was doing.
Nola says she still doesn't like to think about her age and admits at times it has been challenging for her to succeed in school.
I had to relearn how to study, relearn how to read something and remember what I read. Yes.
And learn how to use a computer.
Now I'm fairly efficient on the computer.
FHSU professors say her skills and her life experiences have made Nola an excellent student.
She had to do a mini thesis for the last course, and she did that on World War I, and again produced a paper that was well over 50 pages and just did a super job. So she not only knows the subject matter, but she can write about it as a historian would write.
And all Nola's hard work has paid off. She's earned enough credits to graduate with a master's degree of liberal studies in history. And in case you're wondering, no, Nola's not done with her education yet. She's planning to start a second master's degree this summer.
I don't want to quit. I'm not ready to quit.
But for now, Nola's soaking up the moment and preparing for another walk across the stage to get her diploma.